Hello, 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 my dear energetic students. I'm sure you're ready to crack your NSEP exam. And I get a lot of messages every day, and I reply to each message I receive, and I call many students also. So that is my Telegram ID. You can contact me there. But lately, since the dates have been announced, I have been getting many questions and I have taken sessions on those. But there is another confusion that I clearly see where that many of the students are having. Should I continue with the free resources or should I enroll for a paid course? So today, let's talk about this confusion and let's clarify that. And by the way, if you have any questions regarding any of the things or you need any counseling, that is my personal Telegram ID. And again, I repeat, I reply to every student. My name is Bhavdeep Sethi, and I have done masters from IIT Bombay with a passion of physics and a bigger passion to teach physics in a simplified manner. I have been converting physics haters into physics lovers, and I always say never memorize physics. It's all around you in the nature. So look around you. Nature is full of physics. Nature is the best textbook of physics. So first things first, obviously the dates have been announced. So NSEP, the prestigious NSEP, the NSEP exam is happening on Sunday, 24th of November. I mean, there is still some time, a lot of time to fill the form. It starts in August, but you are ready to with your full josh right now. And as I said, many students are still thinking कि भाई paid में जाऊं कि free में continue करूं. There are pros and cons of both of them. I'm going to cover those today. So what is free and what is paid? You know that, but let's cover that. So free resources are YouTube videos like the one you're watching right now. So that's Google. If you Google for any question, you get that. Chat GPT is another big resource out there. You can search for PYQs, you can search for PDF of books. Everything is available for free. And it's a big change since the days I was a student. So just to give a context here, let's say I did not know the capital of Uzbekistan. Let's take an example. So in my days, back in days, think about no internet, no mobiles, just those landlines. So if I have to find, let's say, capital of Uzbekistan, I would pick up my bicycle, go to the library, and if the library is open, I will enter and then issue a book, reference book, and then search those pages and then find the answer. Now think about the change that we have. Everything is available for free and a lot of information there. Now the paid courses, on the other hand, are the courses offered by institutes and like Vedantu. Vedantu has its own paid courses, and this is where the confusion is. Should I go for this vast ocean of knowledge that is available for free, or should I get this course? And I'm going to tell you plus and minus of either of them. You decide for yourself. It's not like, sir, ye acha hai, ye acha hai. So again, the question, if you're asking if which one is better, no, there is no one line answer for that. If you're asking, by should I go for this one, give me yes or no, or one and two, no, there is not a one line answer. I have to explain you in detail, and you will make your own decisions. So starting with the course structure, what is the difference between these two? So free resources usually lack a structured approach. To give an example, you would go to YouTube or you will go to some kind of free resource and you will be looking for a particular topic. There are playlists out there. I can agree to that. So there are playlists. So let's say you're studying rotational motion, there is a playlist created for that. But it's not as structured as you will find it in the paid courses. So free courses have those playlists. Obviously, you watch one topic, the next topic comes in and all those. But when I say structured, I mean, okay, once you're done with this topic, you do these 10 questions. Okay, once you're done with these five topics, you take this test and see what are your weak points, and then you go back and do some remedial. So those kind of structures are missing in the free batches. But paid courses have well organized syllabus and they are in sync with the timelines of the exams. Similarly, harder to follow a consistent learning path. What that means is basically, let's say you start with rotational motion, and what comes next logically, I mean, it comes obviously the next chapter over there, but during that journey, there are few things, firstly, you might miss. Secondly, what might happen is
सल्फर से
even though the syllabus is structured from chapter 1, chapter 2,
हाँ
chapter
तभी तो
3,
सिल्वर महंगा है
but as a teacher, let's say I know after in the chapter 1 something from chapter 3 is being used, and if you had known those things in advance,
चैट
you would
जीपीटी से पूछते हैं
understand chapter 1 better. So those customized
वो
kind of
ज्यादा वो
teaching
होता है बेटा, क्योंकि
methodologies, they will
इसमें
be
बहुत
available in
वैसे वो है
paid
ना,
courses
चैट
only.
जीपीटी पूरा ढूंढ ढूंढ
Now
के
coming
रखता है
to
ना
the
वो।
expert guidance, this is where I'll say it's
जिंक
a tie basically. I cannot say these courses offer better teachers or these courses
वो
offer better teacher.
नेचुरल लैंग्वेज भी
We
समझता है
have
ना।
to be honest. I mean, there are teachers who are awesome in paid courses. Obviously, I consider myself as a very good teacher. I am taking paid courses. There are teachers who are really awesome, and I would say I'm a good teacher taking free classes also. And there are some teachers who will be better than me. I'm a very honest person. So there
चलो
are course teachers available here which are awesome. There are teachers available here, they're awesome. So you cannot decide based on the expertise over here. So you will have to look for good teachers you can find in any of those courses. Interaction. So when you talk of interaction, let's say you're taking a YouTube session, so the teacher and you're communicating mostly via that chat window. And that's it. I mean, so when there are thousands of students in that session, teacher may not be, or actually not may not be, teacher will not be able to read all the messages. That's impractical. It's not humanly possible. So teacher will usually read a few names out here and there to give more interaction to the class, and the teachers try their best. Nothing against the teachers are awesome, all the teachers. I respect the entire teaching community, but humanly it is not possible, right? So those chat messages will scroll and teacher will not be able to read all those messages. So interaction is usually a one way. It's not completely one way, but mostly one way. On the other hand, paid courses have interactive classes. There is a mechanism out there for the student asking a doubt during the class. There is a question and answer round. Now, there is also class peer interaction. There are sessions created, especially for interaction, or the Telegram groups or WhatsApp groups created so that classmates can interact with each other, discuss the problems, discuss the solutions, and motivate each other. So, the Telegram group that we have at Vedantu Olympiad School, when some student feels low on motivation, students jump in. अरे क्या बात कर रहा है यार, तू तो awesome है, तेरे से हो जाएगा, याद है परसों तूने ऐसा क्वेश्चन किया था. So those things are available in paid courses, obviously. Doubt clearing. Obviously, there is how can you clear doubt in the free sessions? I mean, it's not possible. On the other hand, paid courses will offer you doubt clearing sessions. So let's say you are a student who's a self learner and you think अगर doubt आएगी भी तो मैं पूछूंगा नहीं, है ना. There are students, I was one of them, कि भाई मेरे को doubt नहीं पूछना है. अगर doubt आ रही है इसका मतलब मेरे को अभी clear नहीं हुआ है. मैं एक हफ्ते बाद फिर से इस क्वेश्चन को ट्राई करूंगा, महीने बाद करूंगा, बट आई विल नॉट आस्क एनीबॉडी. सो इफ यू आर वन ऑफ दोस स्टूडेंट्स, free resources are awesome for you, and there are students who do that. But if you are somebody who would say okay, अगर ये डाउट क्लियर नहीं होगी और बहुत ट्राई कर लिया मैंने यार नहीं हो रही है, और जब तक ये नहीं क्लियर होगी मैं आगे नहीं बढ़ सकता, so if you need solution to the doubts, those are offered in paid courses only. So that's where the paid courses will win, I would say. Now, assessments and mock tests, there are certain free courses that will offer a limited kind of assessments. But as I was talking about in the point number one, this is more like a structured way. After these five topics, there is a test, and then there are certain mock tests, and then there is a feedback also provided here, areas of improvement. And many of these courses also offer remedial classes. What that means is, let's say there are 100 students in a class and there were five topics taught to them. Now, out of those 100 students, maybe 10 students did not understand topic number three. So there will be some extra classes given to those students, or maybe a different way to teach them, some extra practice questions given to them. So those things are available in paid courses only. Free courses obviously cannot offer them. Time management. Obviously, what will happen here is you need a lot of self-discipline, because see, you have a lot of material, as internet is a vast ocean of knowledge over there. You have to be self-disciplined. These 5 days, I'm going to finish this topic no matter what. But then if there is a procrastination happening here, nobody is monitoring you, and that might become a habit. So the time management, if you're one of the students who is very self-disciplined, yes, this is fine for you. But if you're somebody who would need a lot of kind of mentorship, then the paid courses are required for you, because these go in sync with the timelines of the exam. इस वीक में, इस दिन में सिलेबस खत्म करना है, इसके बाद प्रैक्टिस सेशन स्टार्ट होंगे, मॉक टेस्ट होंगे, दोज काइंड ऑफ द थिंग्स एंड ट्रैकिंग बाय मेंटर्स। भाई आप क्लास में नहीं आए थे बच्चे, क्या बात है, सब ठीक है, क्लास लगाइए, है ना। सो दोज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स आर अवेलेबल इन पेड कोर्सेज, बट इफ यू डोंट नीड दोज देन फ्री कोर्सेज आर good for you. Yeah. Then motivation and accountability. Again, it goes hand in hand with the previous one. You need lot of self discipline with the free courses. इधर आपने फीस दी है, मम्मी पापा भी आपसे बोलने वाले हैं, but that's not the only point कि फीस दी है, but again when you pay for something, and that is why in many of the free courses that we offer at Vedantu we charge like 9 rupees, 29 rupees, और कई बार स्टूडेंट्स पूछते हैं सर ये 29 रुपीज का क्या चक्कर है, 9 रुपीज का क्या चक्कर है। इट्स मोर अबाउट गिविंग यू मोर सीरियसनेस कि जब आपने कुछ पे किया है तो आप थोड़ा सा सीरियस हो जाते हैं, अकाउंटेबिलिटी होती है, मम्मी को बताना पड़ेगा, पापा को बताना पड़ेगा, इनफैक्ट मेंटर्स को बताना पड़ेगा भाई आपने होमवर्क किया कि नहीं किया। सो दैट पार्ट पेड कोर्सेज विल ऑफर। हियर अगेन आई एम सेइंग एवरी स्टूडेंट इज डिफरेंट, तभी मैंने कहा कि देयर इज नॉट वन लाइन आंसर, ये बेटर है कि ये बेटर है, एवरीबडी इज डिफरेंट। If you are a very self-disciplined student, very determined, paid free courses will work for you. That's fine. But again, every student is different. Like-minded community. See, over here you're taking a free session and खत्म, वहीं पे जर्नी खत्म, अगले दिन दोबारा दूसरे क्लासमेट्स आपको मिलने वाले हैं, तीसरे दिन कुछ और मिलने वाले हैं। इधर क्या होता है, like let's take example of Vedantu courses, we will create a Telegram group. So that Telegram group is a community of like-minded students who are equally joshful. They all have same goals. NSEP फोड़ना है, बोर्ड एग्जाम तो एकदम 100 आउट ऑफ 100 लाना है। सो दैट काइंड ऑफ, कहते हैं ना, लाइक माइंडेड कम्युनिटी होती है, दैट गिव्स यू मोर मोटिवेशन एंड हैव मेड मेनी वीडियोस ऑन दोस। तो पेड कोर्सेज में आपको वो लाइक माइंडेड कम्युनिटी मिलती है, जब आपका मोटिवेशन कम होता है वो आपको ऊपर खींचेंगे। एंड अगेन दिस कम्युनिटी इज नॉट लाइक एक दूसरे की टांग खींचनी है, ये वैसे ही नहीं होती कि ये ऊपर चला गया तो मैं पीछे रह जाऊंगा, नहीं। दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ कम्युनिटी वी आर टॉकिंग के सब भाईचारे के साथ ऊपर जाएंगे, सब साथ में चलेंगे, भाई भाई तू पीछे रह गया चल, अरे बहन साथ में चल। So that kind of community we are talking about. Giving an example, let's say a student posts a doubt in this group. अब बाकी स्टूडेंट ये नहीं कहेंगे कि यार अच्छा इसको डाउट आ रहा है, मेरे को तो आता है, नहीं। As soon as that doubt is posted, everybody is jumping, अरे भाई ये वाला स्टेप ट्राई कर, ये ट्राई कर। That is the kind of motivation and strong feeling we are talking about, and that matters. Yes, it matters. I may not be able to put that in words, but that community matters. अगर एक चीज मैं बोलना चाहूंगा इतने सारे पॉइंट्स में, so this is the point that paid courses offer, which is unmatchable. It cannot be like described in words. That actually matters a lot. And the last point here is obviously cost. This is free, obviously free, and this also matters. Obviously cost is that's a decision point, because these courses are usually expensive, that's a fact. This is free, everything is free. Now the choice is definitely yours, and I've told you the pros and cons. The choice is yours, and now let's say you're deciding to go with the free option, I mean, then there is a good news that starting next week at Vedantu Olympiad School YouTube channel, the one where you're seeing this video, we are going to start the PYQ series. So we are starting PYQs. So the book, this awesome book, and I'm not advertising a book, so I have this book. This is past year question papers. I'm not advertising the book. I'm just telling this is one of the books. So इसमें PYQs भी है बहुत सारे. We are going to pick the good quality questions. We are going to solve them here chapter by chapter. So this is the good news for you. But there is a better news also. So we saw the pros and cons. इसमें free में ये अच्छा है, free में है, paid में इतना mentorship मिल रहा है, ये सब मिल रहा है. So obviously free है versus वो expensive है. But what if I tell you Vedantu brings you best of both worlds? क्योंकि अगर आप ध्यान से देखिए, थोड़ा सा मैं पीछे जाऊं, इसमें ये बहुत बड़ा डिसीजन पॉइंट हो जाता है, क्योंकि या सी these are really expensive courses. You are talking about the Olympiad courses, they're expensive, and this is free, and then but these have so many advantages. So now what if I tell you Vedantu offers best of both worlds? Vedantu offers paid courses which are very cheap. When I say very cheap, compared to the quality that they're delivering, compared to the amount of effort that was made or the amount of resources required to make those courses, the fee is very tiny. So let's talk about them. So first of all, the entire course has been divided into 5 modules. So these are the 3 modules you see. This covers the entire 11th JEE का syllabus, which is entire NSEP का 11th वाला portion. Then there are two more modules which cover 12th ka complete syllabus. So the entire thing is divided into 5 modules. Now you have two choices here. The first choice is you go for full physics mastery 2025 course. So this course will start in the month of July. So I am the one who's taking this course. So July 1st the classes started. But whatever has been missed, we'll provide you the recordings and also take extra classes, not to worry. But look at where it will end. It will end in October 2025. लिखा जरूर है, लेकिन एनएसईपी नवंबर में जिस तारीख को होगा उसके एक दिन पहले तक मैं आपकी डाउट्स क्लियर करने वाला हूं. सो दैट इज माय गारंटी. So this is a long-term batch where the doubts are taken in the Telegram group. The assignment is given after every class. Every class के बाद एक assignment आपको जाने वाला है. Alternate Sundays को आपका test होगा, आपकी rank बनेगी, पता चलेगा where do you stand. Lot of things about this, you know. So this is the entire thing here. It's open for 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th graders. 9th के लिए क्यों? क्योंकि 9th के students NSEP नहीं दे सकते. Let's be clear about it. So students of 10th, 11th, 12th can appear for NSEP. But अगर अब आप 9th में हो, remember this course is ending next year November or October. So next year में आप 10th में होगे तब आप eligible होगे. तो अगर आप 9th grade में हो, you are welcome to this. And in fact, mostly 9th and 10th graders enroll here because they want an early start with this preparation. Now, on the other hand, there's another option that you have. Let's say you want to appear for this year, NSEP, and you have done 11th ka portion. So there's a course which is 12th grade ka syllabus. So this will be started on 15th of July and end in October. But this will cover only the last two modules. But there is a bigger news here. You are paying for this, but then you're getting the first 3 modules for free, the recordings for free. This will be live classes, 12th ka syllabus, but whatever was covered in first 3 modules, those we are going to give you for free. You know, regarding the fees, I don't know if there is a fees mentioned here, but I can tell you the fee here, right here. So the fees for this is 12,500. Each module is 2,500 multiplied by 5 is 12,500. There is a coupon in the link given below. You click on the link there, you will get it for only 10,000. So there is a 20% discount going on there. This one is 2,500 times 2, which is 5,000. So you can see 10% discount, you'll get it for 4,500. So here you get all the 5 modules live for 10,000 rupees. Here you get 2 modules live for 4,500 rupees, but you also get the free recordings. वो paid होती है, but we are including the free recordings of first 3 modules here. Now, if you have any concerns कि भाई इसके लिए क्या प्री रिक्विजिट है, क्या मेरे को वेक्टर्स आना चाहिए, क्या आना चाहिए, तो ओनली 3 prerequisites here कि willingness to learn, commitment to hard work and जोश. There are 3 things that are required. मैं हमेशा एक बात कहता हूँ, आप सीखने वाले बनो, मैं सिखाऊंगा. ये नहीं होता मेरे को ट्रिग्नोमेट्री नहीं आती, मैं एनएससीपी कैसे करूंगा. आप सीखने वाले बनो, ऐसा नहीं फीस दे दी. आपको हार्डवर्क करना है. अगर आप इनके लिए तैयार हो, बस आप जहां मर्जी हो, मैं वहां से आपको उठाऊंगा ऊपर. ठीक है. So now coming to some students say, okay, is there a trial for this? जब गाड़ी खरीदने जाते हैं, भाई ट्रायल लेते हैं ना, टेस्ट ड्राइव. Yes, there is. So there is a link below here. There was a summer camp that was conducted in the month of June. So it was Ignite Your Calculus Journey. There were 4 sessions in that. So there is a link below here. It will be saying NSEP Summer Camp Ignite Your Calculus Journey. Click on that link. It is 0 rupees. You can enroll in that. You will get the recordings of those classes, which covers the basics of calculus. You see my teaching methodology. You see the level of classes that will go, and then decide for yourself. So there is a free trial over here if you want. So there are 3 options. You enroll for this for free and then decide, or you enroll for the full year course, that is 5 modules, or you enroll for only the 12th syllabus. Now, Dhruv is one of the students who trusted himself and trusted us, and he got an international gold medal in physics Olympiad. Similarly, Aditya and Avnish, chemistry gold, silver medal at international stage. And as we are speaking, 4 students from Vedantu team are competing at the international stage. So students, join this Telegram channel. There's a lot of free information here. And I always say, whether you join my courses, paid courses or free courses, one thing has to be there: keep up the high josh. And I'll see you soon.